TV. Welcome to my crib. Come on in. And take your shoes off. This is an Arab household, did you forget? First off, I would like to thank my interior designer, Nahamzi, for designing my apartment for me. She's also my sister and my roommate. Let's start off with the kitchen. So I have 2 candles going, you know what I'm saying, in this cute little marble a platter situation. Paper towels, because we all need those in the kitchen. I don't know why this candle is burning so much. Can you chill out? We have the beautiful white island. I love that, very aesthetic. I prefer marble. Okay, hubby, take notes for the next house. Marble island. All right, these 3 chairs, you guys, are way too high up. So like no one ever sits here, to be honest. Like when you're trying to sit here, it's kind of like, you can't even eat, okay? You need to kind of like hunch over to like eat your meal. So it's just for the aesthetic, but like how good does it look? These are usually actually very expensive, but we found them on OfferUp. Half of the furniture in this house is OfferUp. If you don't know, OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace is the place to go to get super good, like brand new looking stuff for like a quarter of the price, okay? Get on it, you guys. That's where these 3 are from. Let's go on to the fridge, okay? Super modern, super aesthetic, you know. Here's a little look at the inside. Zoom in on the Fiji. Zoom in. Yes, there you go. Okay. We only got this Fiji for the purposes of this video. Anyways, I need to go grocery shopping, okay? I know it's all drinks in here, but you get the vibes. Moving on. We have a little pantry. Whoa, I didn't even check if this pantry was clean. We have our little pantry, okay? Little organization, salt and pepper, almonds, and I don't know why this says coffee. This is supposed to say walnuts, but let's just ignore that. But I love these little like bamboo lids. We got my little espresso machine. This is the best thing ever from Amazon. Get on it. It's so easy. You just click a button and boom, boom, boom. And then it comes with a little frother. Make it hot or cold. This one is my sister's. She likes the complicated stuff. Like you gotta like grind it, and then like half the time it doesn't even work, and it's like 3 times the price, low-key. Anyways, some syrup. We should have a label on this, but we don't. But you know, jasmine rice, white sugar, flour. This says chips, but it's rice cakes in there, okay? Don't ask. Anyways, we got some leftover napkins from our engagement party. How cute, how cute. I'm hoarding them because I don't want to use them because they're like cute, but it's like, that's the whole point of napkins, is to use them. So we're just gonna keep them here for now. Wait, this is not a fridge tour. I am so sorry. Let's move a little quicker. I want to show you guys a little, you know, design over here. We got the salt and pepper that are empty, that need to be refilled. Little balsamic vinegar and olive oil. You know, we put our little wooden spoons in here. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. How cute is this little board? It's like a fish shape? Is this a fish shape? I'm not an interior designer, okay? I'm just showing you guys around. Look at the little backsplash. How beautiful is this? One of the reasons we picked this apartment is because it's, don't show the sink, there's dishes in there. One of the reasons we picked this apartment is because of how modern it is. This is actually the very first apartment my sister and I lived in when moving out of our parents' house for the first time ever. So it's a very special apartment, and I'm gonna miss it because I am moving out. Try not to get emotional, okay? I am moving out in a month, you guys, with the hubby. And we are moving to a 5-bedroom, 2-story house, which is very exciting. But it's definitely a change going from this apartment to like a big house. But I'm super excited to take you along the renovations for that. Now we're getting into the real juicy parts of the video. Who can guess where this beautiful marble table is from? So I got this marble table for $3,442. I'm just kidding. This is from OfferUp as well. This baby's from OfferUp, and we literally got it for like, what, do you remember? It was like
300.
It was like 350, you guys. This is like real marble. Like this thing is extremely heavy. We had to have like 4 people carry it. So this was a steal. Again, brand new condition. If you don't get on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp, You're not doing it right. Look at this beautiful Pampas vase. Okay, I'm in love with it. Huh?
Vase.
Vase. So pretty. I have these little boucle chairs. You just sit here and you're like, oh, let me enjoy my meal. And you're not like hunching over like the island. So this is where I sit when I'm enjoying my meal. Now let's go on out to the balcony because all the vibes are out here. Come on out. So, you know, in the morning when I wake up and I just want to be out in nature and sip on my coffee, do a little meditation, do a little journaling, check some emails. This is the vibe, baby. Now you see me, now you don't. You know what I'm saying? I wish it was like views of trees, but it's views of my neighbors, but it's okay. It's okay, you can't have it all. We have this beautiful like lantern candle situation. We have these gorgeous light bulbs that I don't even know how to turn on. But imagine these turned on because I don't know how to turn them on. Such a vibe out here. It's honestly so relaxing. You get some greenery action in the back with a little lamp overhead. And then we have this extra sofa too. It's like, I love the black and white with the nude. Love the contrast. Okay, back to me. We get it. Thank you. So this sofa's kind of like, you snooze, you lose. You didn't get, what is this called? Hammock?
Canopy? I don't know.
I think this is called a hammock.
Swing chair?
Whatever. You don't get this chair, you snooze, you lose.
Oh, egg chair.
Egg chair. Okay, you don't get to sit on the egg chair. You have this bench, you know? But like, we all know this is where you really want to sit. I really don't want to get up because I'm so comfortable right now. This is super, super comfortable, you guys. We do plan on having like a Zen area in our new home, which is exciting. So I'm definitely gonna have this vibe out there. Are we very zoomed into me? I don't know if I like that. Okay, let's go back in the house. Oh, I almost tripped. Okay. We'll close this baby up. Now we are about to move on to my favorite part of the entire mansion / apartment. So we have this gorgeous living room setup, you guys. I am in love with this space. This couch is from, I don't remember where it's from. I will link it in the description, okay? But this couch is so comfortable. Okay, let's take a seat, you know? That wasn't very elegant, but just the perfect, you know? This is my favorite spot to sit. I'm here 70% of the time editing content for you guys. So this is where you'd find me just like editing away. But like, it's so comfortable. You get to relax, rest your feet. Such an experience. By the way, let's move on to these frames. These frames are from Diseño. They were gifted. Thank you so much, Diseño. They literally make up the entire living room space. I think I either want to have these in my office in the new house or maybe even just leave it in one of our living rooms. It matches so perfectly with the new tones of the apartment. And then we also have this cute little round table. I don't know the terminology, but we have this gorgeous round table also from Facebook Marketplace. Okay, get on it. It came in a set, so it came with this big table and then two of the smaller tables, and I love the mix of the gray and the new tones. I think it like goes so well to finish up the, I'm trying to talk like I know what I'm talking. I think, let me rephrase that. I think the gray and new tones go so well together. Love this Pampas. It's literally my favorite. It has the black matte vase. It has the matte black vase with the gorgeous Pampas. We have a little wooden board going on. We have another chair right here, okay, in case the couch doesn't fit enough people. We can swing, you know, it's very comfortable, very cozy. And then we have this full body mirror for our OOTDs. Can we see you? And then this is my photographer, also my fiance.
I'm not getting paid. Do I get paid today?
We do have these two Burberry and Louis Vuitton books placed beautifully on this round table, this third round table. They're fake. They're not real books. It's just for the aesthetic, okay? This lamp, guess from where? Guess from where? Are you guessing? Cover up. Yes. What a vibe. What a vibe, okay? The gold with the nude accents and the light just shining through. I think if my neighbors are watching me, they'll probably think like I'm psychotic. Anyways, we have these nude curtains. We have these nude curtains. Okay, such a vibe. Like, I actually really like making videos just on here because it looks like I just have a backdrop going on. Pro tip, if you didn't know, to make your windows look longer, you just gotta insert the curtains higher up. I'm pretty sure everyone knew that, but just in case you didn't, just a pro tip, you know, because I have so much experience with interior designing. We have this little Dior it's a nice little accent to the apartment. Okay, shout out to my interior designer. And then this, you guys, this is so special. So this is from our Keteb. It's from our religious ceremony. This came straight from Lebanon, you guys. It's very sentimental. It's the Holy Quran, in case you didn't know, and it has our names in Arabic, Diana and Hassan, and a Quran recitation at the top. Love the white and gold. We're definitely gonna display this in our next home. And then we have, you know, more aesthetic vibes. We got a candle. Love this like charcoal gray color that it has. And I just love these touches. I think these really add such a modern accent to the house, and I definitely want to carry this on to our new home. We also have more faces over here. Look at this one. Time is ticking, y'all. Tick, tick. It says low battery, but ignore that. We have a little fireplace on the TV screen pulled up from YouTube. Do you guys hear it? Take a listen. I was a ballerina, by the way, in case you didn't know. I know you can tell. Let's move on. This is the little laundry room. Hold on. Okay, we're just gonna open. Wait! Do not expose me right now. Okay, we're just gonna open one door because the other door is a disaster. So laundry, there's some laundry in here that I forgot about. Modern, nice, easy to use. You got your different settings up here. Cute, cute. So here's the thing, we got this like 2-in-1 air fryer, but you can't really use both because the power can't handle it. Whenever we try cooking 2 items at the same time, the power goes out. Okay, so technically, we should have just gotten 1 air fryer is what I'm trying to say. We have another, like a Keurig. We have literally 3 coffee machines in this apartment. Dishwasher, it's clean. Show them. Okay. Clean. This is our little coffee cup station. We got this from Miniso. It was gifted. Thank you so much because I am obsessed. How adorable is this? Literally like 7 of our cups are from Miniso. They're not shown here because they're in the dishwasher. I still need to empty out the dishwasher. Over there is my sister's room. It's forbidden. No one can enter with their shoes on. No one can enter, period. And she's not home right now. And if she's watching this YouTube video, let's not get into it. Okay, let's move on. So let's move on to my bathroom. We have a little cooler. Okay, it comes in handy. Got my bathroom, very like simple. I chose the bathroom with the bathtub. My sister's bathroom has like the walk-in shower. And the reason I wanted the bathtub and I was excited about it is because I'm like, oh, I can have my bubble baths and like relax and self-care Sundays. I have not used the bathtub once in my life since I've been here for the past year. So yeah, okay, toilet. We don't need to talk about that, do we? All my skincare in this little section. I ran out of space, so I think in the next home, I definitely need to, I know this isn't like the most aesthetic. In my next home, I think I wanna hang like those like acrylic, you know? You ready to hang those up for me, baby?
Sure.
Okay, thanks. I have a candle in here. I actually did use this a couple times. A little marble. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with marble. So in our home, I want like a marble island, marble everything. I'm out of cotton, but usually we would have cotton in here, but we're out. I'm also almost out of floss. I do got some Q-tips though. Okay, here I have everything organized, you know, by category. We got the brushes, we got the eye makeup, we got the eyeshadows, we got the lipsticks, like, you know, so everything's organized in its little sections. Cute, cute. I do have this little chair that I sit on whenever I want to do my makeup, so we can bring it up, we can bring it down, okay? It has different levels. There's different levels to this. I was considering doing like a little vanity situation, but the apartment, like there's not much room in my bedroom for me to do that. And I'm like, I have my own bathroom. Like, why just like do another vanity in my bedroom when I already can just get ready here, you know? In our next home, since there's gonna be a lot of space, I'll definitely do like a little vanity situation, but this is just what works for this apartment. Toodaloo, let's move on. You know, we got the automatic light switches. So this is my bedroom. How do I say this? I didn't clean it, okay? It's a mess in there. It's mostly laundry just piling up. So we're not gonna get into this room, but I did make a extreme bedroom makeover and showed you guys a tour of my bedroom. So I will insert that up here for you to watch. But yeah, let's just skip that for now. But this is the overall vibe of my very first apartment. I really am gonna miss this complex. Like I mentioned, this is the very first apartment I moved into, my sister and I moved into when moving out of our parents' house for the first time. We did move to LA for 2 months, but like, we don't count that, okay? We don't count the LA move. It was 2 months, and if you know, you know. If you didn't watch that video, watch it. So this apartment is in Orange County. It's so beautiful. The complex is everything. Like every time you step out, you see palm trees. There's so many pools. The gym is huge. Just all the amenities and everything about this apartment was a really great first apartment to move into. And my sister and I are actually the very first people to live in this apartment. They actually had just gotten done building this unit when my sister and I moved in. So it was very nice to be the first ones to live here. And I'm looking forward to my next home with Sam. There's a lot of renovation content coming up, you guys. So as I mentioned, Hassan and I will be moving into our home next month, and there's a lot of fun projects and renovations that I'm gonna be documenting for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, I'm not a interior designer expertise, and my sister low-key like designed this apartment, but it's been nice to get, you know, a lot of like inspiration for my next apartment. Hassan, the hubby, is in real estate business, so he has an eye for things as well. So it's nice to have like someone who knows what they're talking about. But I'm definitely gonna do my research too, because you know, this one, it was just for a year, so I wasn't like too involved in the decor and the designing of it, especially because I trust my sister's vision. I know she wanted that like modern neutral vibe, which is what I like. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little apartment tour. Stay tuned for all the renovations for our next home, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. So why are you making me blow out this candle, sir?
It's making me choke.
It's
Look,
making
all the smoke.
choke.
There's literally black smoke coming out of this. Look.
I think that's a little dramatic.
What do you mean it's dramatic? Look. Do you not see that?
Okay, here we go.
You know it's true.
Wow, I did that in one blow. That was great.